If you've ever wished your Confluence pages could look a little more organized and interactive, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add tab-like sections using native Confluence features, making your information easier to navigate and a lot friendlier for your team to use. Let's dive right in. First up, let's open the Confluence page you want to enhance. You'll want to be in edit mode for this, so go ahead and click that edit button at the top of your page. This gets you into a space where you can start adding or changing content just like you would in your favorite document editor. Don't worry if your page is already packed with info. Editing won't affect the published version until you save, so you can take your time and get things set up just right. Now, to create a tab-like section, we're going to use one of Confluence's built-in features called the expand macro. This lets you create areas that your readers can click to expand or collapse, just like a tab or accordion on a typical website. It's super useful for presenting lots of information without overwhelming your audience, or for grouping related topics together in a tidy way. To add an expand section, look for the plus sign in your toolbar. That's the Insert More Content button. Give it a click and then from the drop-down menu select Expand. You'll immediately see a new section appear right on your page, with space for a title and some content. Think of the title like a tab label. This is what your readers will see before they click to open up the section. For example, if you're documenting a process, you could have sections for Step 1, Preparation, Step 2, Execution, and so on, each in their own expand area. Next, write in your title, be descriptive so readers know exactly what to expect inside. Then in the content area, go ahead and add all the details you want. You can type text, paste in images, or even embed tables and code snippets. This means you're not limited just to plain text. You can make each expand section as rich and helpful as it needs to be. Don't be afraid to make each section a mini resource on its own. That's exactly what makes tabs and expands so helpful. If you need more than one tab, just repeat these steps. Insert another expand section, give it a new title, and add your unique content. You can add as many as you need. People will see a neat list of expandable sections and can choose which ones they want to open without having to scroll through everything at once. A quick tip, if you're working with a long or complex page, these expand sections can make a world of difference. It not only cleans up the look, but can help your teammates focus on just the part they need when they need it. Imagine it like tidying up a messy desk. Suddenly, everything important is easy to find. Before you publish, take a quick look at your page using the preview function. This lets you see exactly how everything will look to your readers. It's a small step, but it can help you catch little formatting issues before anyone else sees them. Once you're happy with how your expand tabs look and feel, click Publish to save your changes and push your organized, user-friendly page live for your team. Your readers will thank you. And that's it, you've just learned how to add tab-like sections to a Confluence page using only the built-in expand feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future guides. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Confluence tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.